It's a room tour of our room here at Fontainebleau, 5947. It's a gold king rooms, strip, something like that. Huge ass shower. Walk with me, Tim would probably say probably get a dozen people in there. A bathroom. Robe. Giant ass mirror. I will say we've stayed here a few times now and the branding on everything is on point. It's literally everywhere. It's on the ice bucket. Let's see. I thought one of these drawers pulled out. Yeah, here. Got stir sticks. Bottle opener. I'm like, can I take that with me? I don't know. This is a fridge, so that's awesome. You do get a fridge. And then there's the don't touch the Indiana Jones stuff. Storage. I will say when we walked in it was a little stuffy, but I turned the air on. It's the room. And then this is the view. Kind of out on an off-kilter angle from our last room. So if you like just stare straight out, you're kind of staring at the airport, but little to the right, then it's kind of your strip view. I'm not complaining. What the heck is that down there? It's like a... Maybe there's another rodeo in town? I don't know.
We did see a lot of people in like...
I did see a lot of like, yeah, cowboy stuff. But the rodeo's not supposed to be in town until October. Or December. Anyway, it's a great view, great room. We love this place. And I was... Well, I'll just stop there and that'll be the room tour. And I'll go on and talk in a minute about check-in. But that's the room tour. Good little room, great room here at Fontainebleau.